This vertical infographic is titled "Do Not Drink Underage" and is explaining the dangers of underage drinking. Below the title there is a statement, "Make your safety a priority." On the left side there is a zoomed in picture of someone in handcuffs. Next to it there is a number 1 with the text that reads "Legal problems." Legal drinking age in the United States begins at 21. You can be fined up to $500 and required to do community service. Below the first image there is another picture of a young girl who has fainted and there are 4 alcohol bottles in front of her. The text next to this picture reads number 2, alcohol poisoning. 90% of underage drinking comes from binge drinking, which is the lead factor of alcohol poisoning. Below the third image is a picture of a glass of alcohol, a needle, and a handful of pills. The text next to this picture reads number 3, addiction. Beginning to drink at an early age may cause you to be alcohol dependent faster and can lead you to experimenting with other drugs. Below the third text is number 4, health risks. Consuming alcohol may lead to serious health risks such as liver disease, pancreatitis, cancer, etc. Under the text there is a picture of 2 livers. A healthy liver is displayed on the left-hand side and the damaged liver is displayed on the right-hand side. Under the picture you can find the references used to create this infographic, and below the references there is a pink border representing the end of the infographic.